Hey, welcome back. It's your host, it's V, let's go. Today I'm taking a look at a hand grip I picked up for my Sony camera. This does work with other cameras, but I'm using this strictly with my Sony ZV-E1. Right now you can grab this off Amazon for about $140, and I'll have that linked down below. This is basically a smart Bluetooth hand grip with built-in controls. It gives you a lot more functionality than a regular grip. You can twist, turn, and adjust it depending on how you're shooting. It also has a built-in tripod, which is super convenient. Honestly, it's one of those accessories you don't realize you need it until you use it. You can also rotate the head pretty much any direction you want. That makes it great for getting that perfect video angle or shooting selfies. It has Bluetooth built in and it runs off its own battery. The battery is not rechargeable, but it will last about a year before you need to replace it. On the grip, you have dedicated buttons for taking photos, videos, without even touching the camera. There's also zoom functionality and a programmable shortcut button. There's also a lock switch, so you don't accidentally press anything while holding it. The tripod legs let you set it on a table, desk, or pretty much anywhere. Overall, it's compact, versatile, and offers way more than a standard hand grip. This device connects over Bluetooth. Overall, this hand grip is designed primarily for the Sony ZV content creator line. With that being said, it will still work with other cameras as well. I use it with my Sony ZV-E1, which is like a smaller FX3. It uses the same sensor even though the body isn't quite as good. Still, it's a solid camera overall. This grip is perfect for selfies, walking videos, or just carrying the camera around for casual photography. What really makes it useful is the built-in controls. You can take photos and videos directly from the grip without touching the camera. That makes shooting way more convenient. Pairing it is simple. Just put your camera in Bluetooth pairing mode, hold the power button on the grip for about 5 seconds to pair it. Once connected, you are basically good to go. You can walk and talk without dealing with a bunch of extra gear. The grip feels solid and the materials are very nice. You can set it on a table and record yourself quite easily. Overall, it's a smart, well-rounded package that makes content creation so much easier. I'd say it's definitely worth picking up, so I decided to take this setup out in the wild to really test it out. I brought it with me to the Toledo Zoo to see how it performs in real-world situations. I really wanted to see what type of photos and videos I could really get with it. This is my smaller, more portable rig I bring with me. I didn't really want to bring anything super big or heavy since I will be walking all day. The Sony ZV-E1 is a great all-around camera for this type of work. I paired it with my 16mm f1.8 lens. Overall, this combo works really well for what I needed to do. I don't need a neck strap, a wrist strap, or anything at all. I can just grab my camera and go without worrying about dropping it. The grip feels secure and comfortable the whole time. Photos, selfies, shots of different animals, and it performed well. For travel or being out and about, I definitely bring this grip with me for my smaller setup. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to throw in a bag. The dedicated photo and video buttons and the built-in tripod is very useful. Overall, the hand grip complements my camera perfectly and makes it even better. I highly recommend it if you want a simple, portable setup. At the end of this video, I do have some B-roll I captured of the zoo. As always, it's your host, it's V. Stay classy.